Some people did call me, anorexic and things like that when I did Student of the Year.
They stole my passport and I had to leave the country and go back.
Casting director told me, in Chashme Badur, you were the only thing that didn't work, and that was on my face.
Watch The Untold Story every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full-on entertainment.
Like when I did a song like Sexy Sexy Mujhe Log Bole, today the word sexy is used as a drop of a hat.
I've been that dark horse.
Do a nose job, change your name.
Accept what you have chosen and stand by it.
I think it's time India and the world says woman up.
Watch Women Up every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full-on entertainment.
Something has happened, and she's gone. So her solution to everything, if she doesn't want to fight, is going to the room.
Sometimes we'd get into these really nasty fights. So I remember once locking Shamita in Daddy's cupboard. So then when she got out, Mata Chandalini came.
Watch No More Secrets every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full-on entertainment.
Facial mist, because it's going to get really hot this summer. So I just carry a little mist which I can spray on my face.
I carry a perfume in my bag. This is one of my most favorite perfumes.
Watch What's on My Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full-on entertainment.
This was one of those few times where I was like, let's just skip math class. And whatever, she was like, yeah, let's just skip it. So we skipped it and we were like, okay, let's go to the health center where you can get a note saying you're sick. At the end of class, our sir came and he was like, where's your note? Why were you not in class? So we gave him this note from the healthcare center. But one thing we did was the timestamp. It said it said 2:30 and we made dash till 3 something. So that whole period was covered. It was just like a 5-minute thing. He was like, okay, he took it. Next thing we know, I called into the coordinator's cabin and she was like, we don't write this on our slips.
Watch No More Secrets every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full-on entertainment.
If I have to rush to a meeting and I need to look a little presentable, then I keep a few essentials in my bag. Like my under eye concealer. Okay, this is a lifesaver.
Lip balm. Sanitary napkin, biodegradable and environmentally friendly.
There's macadamias. I've eaten most of them. It's normally quite full.
Watch What's on My Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full-on entertainment.
Go by trains and I used to go take buses and autos, and I couldn't afford cabs at the time. So everything was expensive. So I figured that okay, इनको जाके photographs दे देते हैं और फिर देखते क्या होता है, So I gave my pictures to hundreds of production houses. I went physically, I was out. I had my moments of great grief and self-doubt and wondering, am I doing the right thing? Am I wasting my life and my time?
Watch The Untold Story every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full-on entertainment.
Unfortunately, that's something that did come into my mind at some point of time, that I had barely been able to give them time when they were kids. And because of that, I had to send them into a boarding school. Right. And मेरे पास और कोई choice था नहीं. They are being taken away from their home and they are being put somewhere else amongst other kids. Obviously, there a lot of questions go on in their mind. No doubt about that. And no doubt about the fact that I don't have answers to all the questions.
Watch Dear Mom every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full-on entertainment.
मम्मा ने एक मैरिज छोड़ा, तभी मुझे बहुत एक वैल्यूएबल लेसन मिला कि व्हाई इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अ वुमन टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट. I always feel, no, I deserve more love when they're not doing it. Then I'll ask them also, why aren't you giving me the love I deserve? Attaching myself to somebody so much, मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता है. मम्मा ने एक मैरिज छोड़ा, तभी एक मुझे बहुत एक वैल्यूएबल लेसन मिला कि व्हाई इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अ वुमन टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट. I always feel, no, I deserve more love when they're not doing it. Then I'll ask them also, why aren't you giving me the love I deserve? Attaching myself to somebody so much, मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता है.
आज सुबह 9:30 बजे दिन दहाड़े कुछ अज्ञात व्यक्तियों ने रमना नाम के होटल मालिक पर गोली चलाकर उसकी हत्या कर दी.
उसने सिर्फ गन रखी है, मैं तेरे खोपड़ी में छेद करके रख दूंगा.
गोली नहीं चलाना है, बोला था इडियट, जिंदा पकड़ना है. Go after it.
Watch Encounter the Killing, 26 July, Monday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
सर वो हैप्पी भाग गई.
ये हैप्पी नहीं है.
मैं हैप्पी हूँ मगर वो हैप्पी नहीं हूँ.
भाग जाएगी. अगर ये हैप्पी वो हैप्पी है तो हैप्पी कौन है फिर? कौन है से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? क्यों? कहाँ है?
Watch Happy फिर भाग जाएगी 18th May, Tuesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.